What's up, everyone? This is H2Hubb with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a test video for the VH-600 offered by the company VH Life. This is a recommended product of ours. This has passed all of our performance analysis and standards, and is officially recommended by us. You can actually see this product when you go to the H2Hubb website. And in this video, we're actually going to conduct two tests. This system is a 2-in-1 hydrogen system. It produces hydrogen gas for hydrogen inhalation, and it also produces hydrogen water to be able to consume hydrogen water. So this system is rather unique on the market, and so we're going to go ahead and do both tests in this actual video. We're going to do first the milliliter per minute test for the hydrogen gas production. I'm going to have that set up here, and then in the second half of this video, we're going to go ahead and do the hydrogen concentration test. So let's go ahead and begin. Alright, so as I mentioned before, this is a dual function system. So we're going to test the hydrogen generator. They actually call this the H2Hubb. This is this side of the system. The system is running, and this system produces above 600 milliliters per minute. That is what it's rated for. And so we have our gas displacement apparatus set up. And what we're going to do is we're going to allow the gas to flow for about 15 seconds. Then times that 15 seconds by 4 to actually to get an approximate milliliter per minute rating on the system. So let's go ahead and begin the test. Three, two, one. All right. $150, $55, $60, 70. 170 times 4, 680. Now, this is at our elevation. We're at an elevation of 277 meters. So to actually convert that to SATP, this is actually producing around 630 or 640 milliliters per minute right now, which is fantastic for its rating. We actually average this system at about 621 milliliters per minute. So we normally do, in our testing, we normally conduct multiple tests to get a range and then find the medium. And so that's awesome performance from this unit. Let's go ahead and move on to testing the hydrogen water concentration. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and conduct the dissolved hydrogen concentration test with the water cube. That is what this section of the system is called. It is a built-in water pitcher. And so I'm going to fill it up with 1.2 liters of water, distilled water, and then we're going to push the activation button and allow the system to run for a total time of 4 minutes, and then I'm going to test the dissolved hydrogen concentration. So that's going to require me to push the button twice. The system runs for 2 minutes, and then I'll push it, and then it'll run again for another 2 minutes, and then I'll test it. All right, let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take lid off, and I'm gonna take the picture off the base, grab my sample, and we're gonna take a measurement. All right. One, two, 6, 8, 10. It's 1 ppm. One point two. It's about 1.1, 1.2 ppm, which is really good for 4 minutes and 1.2 liters of water. We've measured this particular pitcher as high as 1.3 to about 1.4 milligrams per liter or ppm dissolved into this designated volume of water. That is great, and this system, as stated before in the video, has passed all of our performance standards and is recommended by us. And so let's go ahead and get into some of the H2Hubb info about the product. Once again, we officially tested the H cube of this system at 621 milliliters per minute and the water cube at 1.3 milligrams per liter or ppm in about 2 to 4 minutes. And so you can view our official test report on this product at the H2Hubb website, and we'll have it linked in the description. One note that I did want to make about the water cube is that it is rapidly infusing hydrogen gas into this large volume of water. To be able to hit the concentrations that is hitting in only 2 to 4 minutes is rather impressive when you consider other methods of bubbling hydrogen gas into water. Generally for a liter of water or above, it generally takes about 10 minutes, even with a very quality diffusion stone, to get near saturation. So this system is doing it in a very rapid method. Also, I wanted to mention that this system generally retails for about $7,000 United States dollars worldwide, and through H2Hubb you can actually get this product at a 20% discount, and that is about $1,400 off, or at $5,600. So that is a great deal for this particular system and technology. It's really difficult on the market right now to actually find a legitimate dual function system that is engineered to be a dual function system, not just a hydrogen gas generator where they add tubes or diffusion stones. Like, this system is actually engineered for both methods that you can have at home. Lastly, if you're interested in purchasing this system, you can do so through H2Hubb. We will have a link to its H2Hubb recommendation product page in the description. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to this page for this product, and at the bottom of that page will be a contact form. You contact us directly and we'll put you into direct contact with VH Life, where they'll provide a means by which you can purchase this system and have it sent to your home. Other than that, this is the test video for the VH-600, and we'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.